Hey Bilaras, welcome back to your favorite spot for natural skincare hacks. Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about dark knees and elbows? You're not alone. I've got the perfect solution for you. Today, I'm sharing a simple 2-step DIY routine that will exfoliate, brighten, and smooth those tough areas naturally. We'll start with an easy scrub to buff away dead skin, followed by a powerful mask that will leave your skin glowing. Oh, and stick around because I will also share one game-changing habit that will maximize your results over time. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my natural skincare tips. Let's get glowing. Alright, the first step to brighter knees and elbows is exfoliation. Here's how you make a simple scrub. Mix 2 tablespoons of sugar with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Apply it to your knees and elbows and scrub in circular motions for about 2 to 3 minutes. This removes dead skin cells and preps your skin to better absorb the mask. Once you're done scrubbing, rinse with warm water and pat dry. Your skin will already feel smoother and softer. Now that your skin is prepped, it's time for the brightening mask. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of rice powder and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. These ingredients will gently exfoliate and brighten. 1 teaspoon of yogurt to hydrate and soothe the skin, some fresh potato juice to reduce pigmentation, and a few drops of lemon juice to lighten dark spots naturally. Mix all these ingredients into a smooth paste, then apply it generously to your knees and elbows and let it sit for 15 minutes. After time is up, rinse it off with lukewarm water and you're already noticing a difference. Here is the secret to getting the most out of this routine. First, moisturize nightly. Use a rich moisturizer every night to keep your skin hydrated and soft. Look for products with ingredients like shea butter or coconut oil for extra nourishment. Second, repeat consistently. Use the scrub once a week and the mask 2 to 3 times a week for visible results. And lastly, sun protection. Always protect these areas with sunscreen if they are exposed to the sun. With these steps, you'll achieve brighter, smoother skin in no time. And there you have it, Bilaras, a simple DIY routine to brighten and smooth dark knees and elbows naturally. If you tried this, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. I'd love to hear your results. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more natural skincare tips every week. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay glowing. Bye!